Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Instagram level feature on your Instagram story. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get more informative videos every day. So guys, here Instagram has brought us the latest updated feature, that is level feature on the features of Instagram story. So you can see here, this is my Instagram. So first of all, make sure to update your Instagram, and then after updating your Instagram, what you need to do here, you have to simply click on the profile or icon on the bottom right, and then here you have to click on this plus icon. So simply you need to tap here, and then here you can see story option. You will be able there will be available for story. So guys, simply you need to click on story. So after clicking to the story here, guys, you can see here level option, level. So simply tap, let me just show you, simply tap here. So guys, you can see here, you can just adjust grid, and you can adjust the camera like this. So this is what you can do that. And just you have to click the picture here on the level. You can see here, level means the exact grid of the camera. So in this way you can use the level features. It's very pretty simple. I hope this video will be absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.